Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS and SSD firmware so diagnostics are meaningful. Once done, back up important files and free roughly 30% of capacity to avoid skewed results. Close heavy apps and disable sleep to keep the drive active during tests. Now open a reliable SSD utility or built-in disk tool and run a quick smart read to gather baseline health indicators before deeper tests. You will run sequential and random read/write benchmarks to measure real-world performance versus rated specs. While tests run, inspect smart attributes like reallocated sectors, wear level, and temperature for red flags. Make sure to run multiple short tests and one longer run to spot thermal throttling. If speeds drop over time, heat or controller limits are likely. Record results and screenshots to compare against You finish by verifying trim is enabled and updating SSD firmware to address known issues. If problems persist, consider a secure erase only after a verified backup because it resets wear leveling tables and can restore performance. If errors or smart failures continue, remove the SSD and test it in another laptop or with a USB adapter to isolate host versus drive faults. Troubleshooting tip. If Smart shows rising reallocated sectors, replace the drive, don't delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.